Welcome to our Python DJITellopy tutorial. Today we are going to let our drone take off, float in the air and land. Before we begin, please install PyCharm and the DJITellopy library. So to start, we create a Python file and we call it Takeoff. Then we import our libraries. First, from the DJITellopy library, we import the Tello part. Then we import the library time. Then we're going to create a variable with the tello.tello object. After that, we establish our connection with the command dr1.connect. Then we print the battery capacity. This isn't necessary, but it's a good way to start the program. Then we're going to let our drone take off with the command dr1.takeoff. And we're going to wait for, let's say, 10 seconds using the sleep command from the time library. Then we're going to land our drone with the dr1.land command. To run this program, right-click and choose the option Run Takeoff.py or press Ctrl-Shift F10.